So once you got all the lead vocals taken care of, the next thing I like to do is, you see this Mixbus track?
Yeah.
So everything is going through the Mixbus track. So if I put a plugin on the Mixbus track, it's affecting everything.
Yeah.
So the reason why that's important is because I can just put one thing on here and it changes the sound of everything.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna listen through and then I'm gonna see what I want to add. Might be a compressor.
But I might have did it twice. I'm repenting for them nights. You don't understand this life. Yeah. 1,000 sins, will I make it above? 1,000 sins, but he sins. 1,000 sins, weighing on my chest, kneeling by the bed. I ain't sleeping yet.
I think we could actually just make the beat sound a little bit more interesting. So you just need some clarity. Clarity on the beat.
And then my grandfather, they healed my pain, but until then, day by day, I'm trying to stand in the rain. Nobody understand the struggle till they see it in real life. Lost a couple to the streets and went to earn some real stripes. We all got sins, but I might have did it twice. I'm repenting for them nights. You don't understand this life. Yeah. 1,000 sins for me. I done did a lot of dirt. Do God still show love? I'm trying to get my mind right before I make it above. See my cousin and my grandfather, they healed my pain, but until then, day by day, I'm trying to stand in the rain. Nobody understand.
You hear that difference with the beat? I just put like this really broad EQ on the top end of the beat. Kind of just gave it a little bit more excitement, like listen before.
Who the hell is that, homie? If I die before I change, will he still
That's another thing about mixing is like, the reason why I made that decision is because you can't only just listen to the vocal, you also got to listen to like, all right, if the vocal is exciting, does the beat also sound equally exciting?
Yeah.
Does something sound more exciting than the other thing? Like right now, the vocal sounded a bit more exciting than the beat.
Yeah.
Listen.
boy, but that cash ain't last for me. Looking in the mirror like, who the hell is that, homie? If I die before I change, will he still reach back?
To me, the vocal was definitely a little bit more exciting, but once I put in this EQ move, like check this out.
For me, I done did a lot of dirt. Do God still show love? I'm trying to get my mind right before I make it above. See my cousin and my grandfather, they healed my pain, but until then, day by day, I'm trying to stand in the rain. Nobody understand the struggle till they see it in real life. Lost a couple to the streets and went to earn some real stripes. We all got sins, but I might have did it twice. I'm repenting for them nights. You don't understand this life. Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Simple stuff like that, bro.
Sure.
All right, so when you have a 2-track like this, what element in this beat, if you can tell, do you feel there's an element in this beat right now for me that is like is just too prominent?
Element?
Get my mind right before I make it above. See my cousin and my grandfather, they healed my pain, but until then, day by day, I'm trying to stand in the rain. Nobody understand the struggle.
What you mean by element? Like?
So within a beat, you know, you got like hi-hats, snares, strings,
Yeah.
kick, bass, 808, all type of different things. So for me, there's like one element really right now in this beat that is a little bit too poking out for me.
Let me hear it again.
I'm just seeing if you can pick up on the same thing that I'm hearing.
Will he still reach back for me? I done did a lot of dirt. Do God still show love? I'm trying to get my mind right before I make it above. See my cousin and my grandfather, they healed.
Like, what takes you out of the song for you when you listen to that?
I mean, to be honest, it sounds good. Maybe with like the bass or something.
Yeah, so you got a couple of years, man. You got some years, man. Look, that's the most important thing with this whole thing is just like distinguishing what needs fixing.
Yeah.
A lot of people don't even distinguish what truly needs fixing. So right now, yeah, that to me, that kick drum
Yeah.
is strong, which is good. You need that for hip hop, but it's a little bit too much
Yeah.
for me.
I see what you're talking
Like
about.
if it was a little bit more tame, I could enjoy the track a little bit more. It wouldn't be distracting me as much.
Yeah.
Like listen to it one more time with that perception. You know what I'm saying?
That homie, if I die before I change, will he still reach back for me? I done did a lot of dirt. Do God still show love? I'm trying to get my mind right before.
Like I want to feel that kick, but each time that kick hits, it's overpowering the vocal, and it's like it's distracting me from what he's saying.
Yeah. I feel it.
So one thing you can do to fix that now is just what we call a mix, put a Mixbus compressor on. So I'm just do the pre-child So basically, this compressor now is on the Mixbus. It's gonna compress the peaks of anything that goes through it, the vocals, the beat, but it's mainly gonna catch that kick drum when that kick drum hits.
Yeah.
And it's gonna like just, remember how we put compressors basically on the vocal?
Yeah.
Like this is doing the same thing, but for the overall sound.
Okay.
So it's catching all those peaks and it's making everything a little bit more smooth.
Yeah, for sure.
So check it out.
Mirror like, who the hell is that, homie? If I die before I change, will he still reach back for me? I done did a lot of dirt, do God still show love? I'm trying to get my mind right before I make it above. See my cousin and my grandfather, they heal my pain, but until then, day by day, I'm trying to stand in the rain.
Again, with these plugins, you honestly don't even need to do that much.
Before I change, will he still reach back for me? I done did a lot of dirt, do God still show love? I'm trying to get my mind right before I make it above. See my cousin and my grandfather, they heal my pain, but until then, day by day, I'm trying to...
Before and after is crazy, right?
Yeah, for sure.
So that's the beauty of like having a Mixbus and putting plugins on the Mixbus is like one thing can drastically change the entire sound.
Until then, day by day, I'm trying to stand in the rain. Nobody understand the struggle till they see it in real life. Lost a couple to the streets and went to earn some real stripes. We all got sins.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
More together, you know what I'm saying? So
sure.
like that to me feels a lot better.
For sure.
So I like this EQ move. The only thing I don't like about that EQ move is bringing out the hi-hats a little bit too much.
I was a sins weighing on my chest, kneeling by the bed. I ain't sleeping.
So notice I didn't even pay attention to that until I switched back to these white speakers. So that's why we flip between different speakers, because they reveal something different to you.
Yeah, for sure.
You know what I mean? So now the hi-hat for me is like poking a little bit. So now what I'm gonna do is find that frequency and I'm gonna compress it.
Yeah, 1,000 sins. I ain't proud
And you can see it right there hidden, right?
of that, but I'm still talking to God. I ain't turned my back.
All of that, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So what I'm gonna do is use this and duck it, and it's gonna compress those hi-hats.
1,000 sins, still I ask for grace. Tears fall quiet, I don't show my face. 1,000 sins trying to cleanse my soul. If you still hear me, don't let me go. If I fall,
Like the whole point of a mix is like you should put on the track and play it from top to bottom, and there should be nothing that just takes you out of the song, distracts you.
Yeah.
It should just be a smooth listening experience the entire time. That's how you know you got a good mix.
Yeah, for sure.
So that's all we're trying to do, bro, is like just make sure there's nothing taking us out of the song, distracting us.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
I'm seeking forgiveness. The Lord is my witness. I'm still in his business. 1,000 sins weighing on my chest, kneeling by the bed.
I'm gonna add one more thing on the Mixbus, which I always love. Ozone Exciter. Kind of smooth out his high end.
Don't let me go. If I fall, I'ma rise. I can't turn to regret. Devil knocking at my door. I ain't answered him yet. Gotta pass.
Smooth out all of this right here.
Full of smoke, but my future ain't set. God's still writing my story, it ain't finished yet. I done walked through the fire, came out with scars. Still look up at the sky like you know my heart. 1,000 sins, but I'm still his child. If he kept me this long, I'ma make him proud. 1,000, I ain't proud of that, but I'm still talking to God, I ain't turned my back. 1,000 sins, still I ask for grace. Tears fall quiet, I don't show my face. 1,000 sins trying to cleanse my soul. If you still hear me, don't let me go. If I fall, I'ma rise, I can't drown regret.
Yeah, I love this plugin, man. Hear that difference too, or you feel that difference?
Yeah.
Smooth. Is this basically on the analog setting, like smooths out the high end?
Yeah.
So there's a little bit less piercing and all that
Sure.
stuff. Let's play back.
I ain't proud of that, but I'm still talking to God.
Pay attention to the hi-hat, some of the vocal too.
I ain't turned my back. 1,000 sins, still I ask for grace. Tears fall quiet, I don't show my face. 1,000 sins trying to cleanse my soul. If you still hear me, don't let me go. If I fall, I'ma rise, I can't drown regret. Devil knocking at my...
A little bit more smoother.
Yeah.
I think we're at a good spot, man. I'm not gonna have enough time to touch ad-libs in the backgrounds right now, but
In the darkest nights, I was moving with no compass. Hard cold from that trauma had me feeling kinda heartless. Mama prayed over my life, said the Lord still got a promise, but I'm fighting all these demons. I ain't sure I wanna trust it. Younger reckless with decisions. I was chasing fast money, trying to fill an empty void, but that cash ain't last for me. Looking in the mirror like, who the hell is that, homie? If I
hey, I hope you guys have learned something from today's video. I would love to hear your thoughts, so comment below and I'll check those out. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss any of the future videos coming up. My name is Princeton Brown. I'm a producer and mixing engineer based in Los Angeles, and I would love to hear from you. If you have a brand new song that you're working on and would love a mix on by me, send it my way. I would also love to give you feedback on the mixes that you're working on, so please send those my way. Last but not least, I have a free mini course called 6 Mix Finalizers. All of this information is in the description below. Thank you guys again for tuning in and watching. I'll see you on the next video. Peace.
Sonic Gold Production.